chicken queen. Our farm has thousands of chickens and lay millions of eggs every day. It's so interesting to see the chicken lay eggs in nature like this. The healthy chickens lay healthy eggs and it is really good for health. The chicken lay eggs everywhere, every corner. Sometimes she has to fight it. Sometimes she felt a little tired, but in the bottom of her heart she feels really happy. The family feed the chicken with whatever they have. Sometimes it is the rice. Sometimes the food is the fruit.